This is an
Yeah.
elevator.
Yeah, you can take that down and it takes you right to the doors.
That's right.
Union Station.
Yeah.
Do you? Okay, I have no idea. Okay.
Sit.
Two.
Okay, I guess that'll do it.
Or, yeah, why
This
not?
ground.
Sit. Thank you.
Okay.
Y'all have a good day.
This is it?
Thank you, you too.
Street transit, right here.
Okay, let's see if we can go down to C. C is locked. A is not locked. Is B locked? No. This video will be an elevator tour 1. Kone style lanterns. Kind of like that most modern elevators nowadays use a piezo buzzer or a speaker. I kind of like that. All right. Excuse me, sir. I'm going to be doing an elevator tour, so I'm still recording right now. All right. The next video will be uploaded prior to this, so I'm going to stop recording